Hi, let me show you how I made this white vintage cake. I started by stacking and filling 4 layers of vanilla sponge with Swiss meringue buttercream. This 6-inch cake was made for a photo shoot for the amazing Adelaide Dental Spa in Port Adelaide. My family has been going there for years. It's super clean, elegant, and best of all, affordable. Here, I did my crumb coating, then I chilled my cake in the fridge overnight. The next day, I added another layer of white buttercream, so I repeated this a few times to get clean edges and a smooth finish. Next, I added the word 5 on top of the cake. I made this from black fondant using a fondant extruder. For the piping, I used 2 different tips, the ruffle tip number 115 and the French star tip number 6B for details around the top and bottom of the cake. Unfortunately, I forgot to film how I did the side frills and attach the black bows, but it's pretty simple, so I'm sure you get the idea. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.